Good morning, everyone. Welcome to July 20th Market Minute. I'm John Hopkins, President of Invested Central. Right now we get the Dow futures down 58, S&P futures are down 6, and NASDAQ futures are down 4. Asian shares were mixed while European shares were lower overnight. Futures were higher Thursday as traders cheered better than expected earnings the night before. The market started out strong before pulling back later in the morning, but hanging on with the tech sector leading the way. By the time the market closed, all of the major indexes had moved higher. There are no key economic reports due out today. Today we'll get earnings from Baker Hughes, General Electric, and Schlumberger, to name a few. On the S&P, we've got the 20-day moving average at 1351, the 50-day at 1333, and the 200-day at 1312. The S&P closed at 1376 with support at 1351 and resistance at 1391. The bulls continued their march higher with the S&P closing at a higher high. The NASDAQ has really been on fire, helping to lift the Dow and S&P in spite of the lagging financial sector. I've been talking about 1391 as the target on the S&P, and so far that seems to be on track. As long as response to earnings reports remains positive, getting to that level should be relatively easy. We're deep into earnings season, and you can see that the best of the best are being nicely rewarded. At the same time, those coming up short are being punished. It might not be a perfect system, but it does show that in a fragile market, the weaklings are quickly identified and cast aside, just as they should be. This is John Hopkins. I'll be back Monday morning with another Market Minute.